You know what? It's recording.
Yep, Lily and I, West Coast grudge races. You sound crazy, you're on video right now. Okay, today we have a Maisto 71 Datsun 510. It's probably 1/28th or 1/24th scale. 1/24, right there. Freaking awesome. Got Falcon tire riding on it. Pretty sick. We're gonna open this up, play around with it. I got this one at Fred Meyer. You can order them online. Lots of stores carry them. This is like the toy grade ones. So let's get it opened up and we will check it out. I'm gonna move this closer for you guys. Right there. Sorry about that. Sorry about the wobble. Takes 2 doubles and 2 triples. Straightforward. Here's the little transmitter controller. Simple. Should be pretty plug and play here. Shouldn't take too much. Batteries, adjust wheel alignment, self-explanatory, just like most out of the box RC. There's an antennae for our, I don't know if that's for the car or the control. Okay, we need a Phillips to get this out. A couple Phillips on the bottom. Freaking awesome. Super stoked to see this generation doing like iconic Japanese cars or tuner cars or just rare Euro cars. Because when I was a kid, it was all like no-name knockoff Corvettes and stuff like that. So to have this is a whole nother level of coolness. Let's check it out. It's got the pretty basic toy grade steering system on it. Nothing's fancy there. I like that it's got a short little motor carrier and axle here. That'll give it some strength. Okay, let's get these batteries. Not your average batteries. I'll be using Lupacell 2700 milliamps. These are rechargeables. They are the most powerful ones that I feel like safe putting in stuff, and I've never had an overpower with them, but they last forever and they give tons of good juice. I use them in my RC controls. I use them in any RCs that take batteries. I use them in my Xbox controls, all kinds of stuff. They come with these cool cases too. So let's go ahead and, I think it's just 2. Yeah, so let's open this up. Okay. Two. Oof, stiff. Looks like the body's held on with 3 screws. Might end up taking off, got the fender mirrors. Little Datsun grill. freaking awesome. Let's check out the back. Thing's freaking sweet. Man, super cool. Okay, let's get the batteries in this control. Positive, negative. Straight down. Rule of thumb for anything remote control. You always turn the control on first so you have control over whatever the vehicle is. It doesn't want to take off on you. Let's check it out. So what you do is feed this antenna wire through this little antennae tube they supply. This. And then it's just gonna stick down in this spot with a little bit of friction force, like that. Oh, cap. Take this cap and just fold that over like that. See if it'll focus, yeah. And then slide this over the folded edge. That's how I like to do it. Leave a little tail there. See? Okay. I think there's a power button on this, so I think it's just on. Go ahead. Okay. Definitely going to be slow, but that's okay. Okay. Let's give it a try. So if you wanted to have a lot of fun with this thing, it would need an upgrade for motor and battery, because it is not fast enough. So be warned, more of like a cool running model. It was only about $16, I think. Level for you, and then we'll call it a day on the 510. Not too bad. It has no steering radius at all. So I would say barely functional RC. But that's it. Maisto, however you freaking say it. That's gonna wrap it up for this Datsun 510 functioning model. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.